Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another video. So you guys, right now I am in New Orleans again, but this time I'm here celebrating my sister Michelle's birthday. So yeah, we got in earlier today and we were tired. We haven't even really vlogged today because I was sleeping, but we're up now. Oh, look how cute, it's her birthday too. Okay, but now we're out. We're here at ACME's Oyster House and we're about to have dinner, my sister's birthday dinner, and we just gonna turn up. Okay, so better late than never, right?
Yeah, like poner okay. Claro que sí, corazón. ¿Para la nena?
You want Sprite?
Yeah, please.
Sprite? Yes, please. Bella, you want Sprite? Yes or no? I'll probably end up eating that and the gumbo and I'll be done.
I am. That's what I did last time. So, happy birthday, Michelina. It's my baby girl's birthday. Yeah, so I just ordered some oysters, right? And then I ordered this drink right here called the Killer Buzz.
And I got the prickly pear margarita.
Oh, that sounds so good. So yeah, we're here at dinner. And we're just doing this, okay? So, when my food gets here, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So our drinks just got here. That is my Killer Buzz. What did you say you got, Michelina?
The prickly pear margarita.
Prickly pear. Oh, we got like the same lipstick on. Aw, you look beautiful. Happy birthday. Aw, my baby girl. My baby girl. Ooh, that's coconutty. Ain't that good?
Yeah, you can taste the coconut rum and like the 7-Up or Sprite.
That is so good.
Mine is good. Taste it.
Alright, let me taste Michelina's. Put my straw. Oh, yours is very heavy tequila base. Oh,
What about that tequila in the bag?
it's good though. Yours is definitely sweeter than mine. Okay.
But pay me extra. You owe me $8.
So now, today I'm trying the charcoal oysters at Acme's. I've done had Tragos, I've had New Orleans Creole Cookery. Now we're gonna try Acme's charcoal oysters.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm ready to get this shit popping. What you want to eat, Mama? Okay, shrimp, fish, chicken tender, cheeseburger, or a hot.
You eating chicken tenders too? Chicken tenders? Okay. Ooh, look how juicy that looks now. Oh my gosh.
You want to?
Outside of the line.
You want to?
That is good. It's so coconutty. Ooh, that's so good. Ooh, but body that. Yo. These are good. I've been craving these ever since I went back to Florida.
Can you eat this?
Oh my gosh. I didn't show you. Hey, baby daddy. Not gonna say your spiel? Shorty, it's your birthday.
Water.
How do you feel?
I'm still fucking lit earlier.
Yeah.
Adding that on, I'm just like, woo.
Yeah, we went to Melba's earlier, y'all. I'll insert a clip from us at Melba's drinking earlier. It's been lit. Okay? It's lit. Ooh, look at my, yo, look at that. Look at my babies. Y'all see that?
Holla at your girl.
You see that? Look at them things. You see them watermelons? You see them things, baby daddy?
Oh, look at
Look
that.
at them things.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got red sauce?
So our food is starting to come.
Red sauce?
Yeah, you want me to bring a ranch? Hey, can we have some more water, please? Sorry.
That's not a server.
I know.
No, it's the ranch. Thank you.
Thank you.
So there goes Michelina's food. What you got? This is the New Orleans sample. And jambalaya, red beans and rice, and gumbo and sausage. Look at that fire back there. That looks good. Then they got a burger. Ronnie got chicken tenders. Bella got chicken tenders. I don't got nothing yet. My food coming up. So here's my food. I got the butter beans with shrimp and tasso with catfish. Oh, yum, yum. Taking the rest of my drinks to go. No man left behind, okay? Oh, we're gonna go past the Superdome, Michelina.
Yeah, Chris, you
That's it right there. That's it right there. Yeah, it's too warm. We all got jackets on.
Where?
Right there, lit up with the red and green.
Oh, shit. I can't see that. Damn. That's the Superdome.
That's move that phone so I can see.
Yeah, I can't even get a good picture.
We can see it during the day.
No.
See, look at Bourbon Street. It's over there. Hey. Make a left. Yeah, could you imagine if you lived right here? He's turning that way.
Yo.
Could you imagine if you lived right here? Yeah, we on Bourbon Street. There's a whole club right here. Where?
Fucking sucking and swallowing anything for $1 until I get him. I got him.
Got him.
I did it without an album.
Yeah, I'm looking.
I'm on fire.
The thing about us,
Feeling nigga, I'm flying. When I work the Rolls Royce,
Where?
We got my lunch. We're gonna go in here and get it. $20, baby.
Hey. We're getting hand grenades, y'all. Thank you. Okay, you guys, so I got my first hand grenade. Woo!
And you dropping it everywhere, smart ass. Let's go.
Stop talking when I'm filming.
I don't give a shit. I don't trust these people. Move your ass. Close your window. Do something. Yo.
Look, y'all, I got my first hand grenade. Whoa. Yeah, I'm so lit right now. My sister is dragging me back to Melba's in the middle of the night for another drink.
Fuck yeah. Wait. Oh, look. Yeah. Hello. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's do this.
She fucked up, yeah.
I'm still walking in here.
Okay. Look at my baby girl.
Let's go.
Y'all, look at these bread puddings at Melba's. These things hefty, bro. Like, this shit hefty. What the hell? I'm gonna get one. Whoa. I'm fucking we waiting on us drinks, y'all. And then I got a bread pudding. So this thing is hefty, bro. I probably wind up giving that to Ronnie. Ronnie likes that kind of stuff.
Bro, you didn't give Ronnie a, what you call it, a brownie.
Cause I got this big ass bread pudding. He probably, nah, he good. I start tripping people, I'll be wrong, huh?
I ain't saying shit. Don't give me started, you know. I'm drunk. My mouth will get very loose real quick.
This lady walked past me and hit the shit out of my leg with her bag and didn't even say nothing. I should have tripped her ass. Ashley! Yeah, we're getting half gallons of daiquiris. We're getting ecstasy mixed with penny dropper. And then Ninth Ward mixed with something else. I just tasted the ecstasy and it's good. See that? Ecstasy mixed with penny dropper.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that number.